I brought some guans from the outer Guam Zoo. They honk and squonk and sing just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Open your eyes, here's a present. More crazy creatures, don't worry, they're pleasant. They're upside down dweebs on inside out swings. They do things backwards, and backwards they sing. Which means happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. There's a party today, a once a year occasion. A party is coming your way, your birthday celebration. The grandest present I've saved till the end, 'cause you're the bestest of all of my friends. Here's Mickey and Donald and Goofy too, to celebrate your birthday with you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. I wanted to tell you in my own special way that you're extra special, so have a great day. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Sing along. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you.